Hi guys! So, all my life I have been the most dependent person. Most dependent for everything, for every small thing. If I want an advice, if I want to go shopping, if I want to buy anything, I want to do anything, I need advice, I need second thoughts, I need help. I cannot do anything independently. I could not, never, ever. I have not done that. So, not talking about being financially independent, but for everything, I was a dependent person, totally dependent on my family members, my friends, or cousins, whosoever who's close to me. So, over a period of time, I never realized that I'm being soaked into this feeling. And now, when I really tried to be independent and I took baby steps, to make myself stand and, to do my things on my own, to make my own decisions, then I realized it is an amazing feeling and it gives you such great confidence and it gives you such amazing amount of positive energy that you are something, you are an individual. That's your true identity, which you get by being independent. So for money and for everything, I always depended on my dad. I used to use his cards and everything. I never really earned anything. If I have, I would never use it. It would just go in my savings. I would be spending all my dad's money and stuff like that. And for coming on other sections, I would take my brother's help and my mom's help and my friends or my cousins or everyone. If I'm stuck on a little thing, let's say if I'm not able to get a recharge done, I would call my cousin or anyone, my brother, just get it done for me and things like that. If I'm going to some place, I want to go outside eat, I would call my sister that just pick me, drop me and stuff like that. So for every small thing to all the big decisions, I always needed someone to decide things for me, or I used to feel like I'll become helpless if I don't have anyone around me. But over a period of time, when I started earning and when I stood on my, what they say, पैरों पे खड़े होना, it's like that. So when I took one decision and I followed it, then I realized, being independent, that adds a lot to your life, a lot. Not just earning money and having your own life in a system, but making your own decision. It's like for depending on another person for anything, maybe for a pickup drop, for any advice, for just if you want to go for a movie, you're asking your friend. Just asking that friend is a different thing, but depending on that person, like if that person does not say yes and you're not going for that movie, so that's dependency. You're again depending, your happiness is dependent on someone else, yes or no. So if they keep on saying no for 7 days, you'll be unhappy and you'll be waiting for them to say yes so that you can go for a movie. So that's how you become dependent, and that's how you become, in a way, disabled also. You're not able to make your own decision, you don't have any other options, you cannot go all for a movie by yourself. That's a thing that can be understood, but it's just not about, I'm just taking an example of a movie thing. For other things also, if you want to go somewhere and you're asking your friend or anybody, your cousin, brother, sister, or whosoever, they are saying no to it, so you're not able to go there. Why? Because you want them to come with you, not because you're not capable of going there alone, but because you have this mindset that you want to go with them. So try to explore the world on your own. Just try to do the things which you can do by yourself, which you just think that you need somebody else for it, but it's not the thing that you actually need them for it. You can go by yourself. If you want to go buy a book, you're just waiting for your friend to come, and you have spent 10 days waiting for your friend to come, and she is not showing up, and still you're not going. Why? Can't you do it by yourself? But no, because we have this habit of depending on people for every small thing, and somewhere it reduces or it decreases our it loses our self-esteem in a way, and we tend to lose our confidence. So, and when you start making your own decision, when you start doing things at your own, you will never feel helpless, and you will be able to do things. And I have realized this on some on some really amazing level, on a level that I have reached, where I was so dependent on people, and all of a sudden I just detached myself from that, and I started doing things, started making my own decisions. Still, on for little things I was being dependent on other people, and then I realized it's drawing me back. So it's not helping me anymore. It is kind of adding a frustration, because whatever I am doing, if I have dependency on another person's yes or no, so somewhere my work is getting stuck if that person says no, and if person says yes also but not on time, still my work is getting stuck. So that thing is causing little bit of frustration, disappointment. So what is the point when I alone can do everything? Why do I need people for that? So there are a lot of 90% of the things that we can do by ourselves, but still we look around for people just because we have made this habit. So not on the terms of being financially independent, but on terms general life. Whatever you're doing, just be independent in your thought process, in making decision. It will give you a lot of confidence. And also on the financial parameters also, if you're a grown up, if you have done your graduation, if you're in college, you can get a job after your college. You can start earning, you can at least start learning things, so that you become a knowledgeable person, then you start to earn. But being dependent on people is the worst thing I have ever done, and I have done it for a long time. And the person who made me realize this thing was my brother, because he kept on telling me that for everything you need someone, for everything. And maybe because I won't say that I was a pampered child, because I'm from a very normal family where kids are being normally pampered. So, but yeah, I think on some level I've been like very pampered from my dad's side, because I always got what I wanted. So it never made me feel like I should start, though he always wanted me to do something like being independent, get a job, start career and all that on a very early stage, but I never bothered about it. But then I realized this is something actually you should start realizing at your own. I was really late in realizing this, and I don't want anyone to reach on this level and then realize this. So I'm just sharing my experience and the worst thing that I have done so far with me. So it's not a regret. I'm very happy that I realized it. At least it's never too late, as they say. So I'm happy, and now I'm working on it, and on every small thing on which I'm being dependent on someone. After some time, I actually regret it, and then I realized why in the first place I did that. It was not even required. I could have done it at my own. So it will give you immense pleasure and great confidence. So be independent. What's wrong with me? I really need to do some killer moments on my video. That's how I am. Really sad, but that's me. So yeah, be independent and enjoy life. Make your own decisions. Don't be dependent for anything on anyone, even if it's rubber, scale, pencil, sharpener, whatever. Don't carry a black pen thinking that I'll ask my friend for it tomorrow. Don't be like that. Just have your own stuff, have your own everything, and just take it with you. You should not be asking people for anything, for small favors. Be independent in every way, every small way. Okay guys, I hope you learned something from this, because I have learned a lot. Ta-da!